Hi, everybody, and welcome to your lesson on acceleration. Okay, so our essential questions today are what is the difference between speed, velocity, and acceleration? So you'll explore all three of those terms today and be able to define each one. And then you're going to ask how do changes in motion, like forces, affect speed, velocity, and acceleration. So when a change in motion happens, your speed and your velocity and or your acceleration could all change. So today you are defining the difference between speed, velocity, and acceleration so that you can make connections between an object's change in motion, so how it speeds up or slows down or changes in direction, and how that will cause changes in those three terms that we've just discussed. And you'll know that you got it if you can explain how an object's change in motion will affect speed, velocity, acceleration. Okay? In order to do that, guys, you got to go all the way through the OMS. So here's your OMS page. You're going to watch this video, the one that you're currently watching, is the lesson introduction video. So come down here to the teacher instructional video on acceleration and make sure you watch that in its entirety. There's additional resources here in this learn portion and you should check those out as well, okay? As always, there's an extra practice on acceleration, which is super, super beneficial to you. Before you go to that quiz, as always, there's that ClassKick Science Notebook. This one's going to have you log into Gizmos and complete an activity on acceleration called Fan Cart Physics. This one's super fun. So explain each of these three terms here in this box, and then you can continue on with your investigation and record your answers here in this document. You only have to do activity A, though, which is just about Newton's first law, and we're going to discuss those in future lessons, but this one you should already be familiar with a little bit, and you should be able to complete this activity in its entirety. Now, before we stop for today, make sure that you are running your 6 trials and documenting the data in your table on the lab report. Now, remember, this lab report for Go Car Go is due in just about a week. And so you've got plenty of time between now and the week to run those trials and finish up that lab report. We're doing it in baby steps, so you shouldn't have to do it all at once. If you're following the pacing here, you should be in good standing for being able to complete that lab report on time by September 7th. Okay, if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks so much.